How to wear two hairs on Roblox mobile. The first thing is first, before you go ahead and open up or pull up your Roblox application, you have to ensure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. If you haven't updated, just simply update it on your app store to avoid any crashes, bugs, and errors. Pull up your Roblox account and make sure that you're logged in. Before equipping those specific hairs, all you have to do first is check if you have enough accessories on your inventory. At the lower right screen, just go into more and then go into your inventory. Now, whenever you go to my inventory, these fields right here is automatically set as default into accessories and head. So as you can see, I have actually two specific head accessories that I can wear at the same time. Now close this, go back to the home page, and this is how you can equip it. Just simply tap on avatar and then just change it into head. Now tap on the very first headwear that you would like to use, and then just simply tap on the second headwear. And that's it. That is how you wear two hairs on a Roblox mobile.